Today, Canadian citizens and businesses interact with government services using a wide variety of channels. In person, by mail, by telephone, by fax, by email, and via the web. The same is true with government employees when they interact with internal services. Current electronic services fall short of meeting today's demands for an integrated user experience. This includes the ability to access services from any device, and even from other digital systems operated by the industry. To support these new interactions, a pure digital service channel is needed. This is where APIs come in. APIs form the basis for what we call government as a platform, which will support the Canadian government's digital service revolution. Let's take a look at how APIs fit into the enterprise. Generally speaking, government systems are basically broken down into two major groups: program support systems and systems of record. Over the last 2 years, the Canadian government has committed to making these systems interoperable, hence the initiative known as GC interoperability. This layer enables seamless information flows between government systems. With this foundation in place, it is now possible to expose business capabilities in digital form to other systems to use. This is what APIs are all about, to support the government's plan for a single window to online services. For example, plans are being made to deploy client-facing APIs that will be used not only to power government online services via the web, but to also support new innovative channels like mobile apps and the Internet of Things. The same is true for employee-facing services with the deployment of internal APIs to support back-office operations. The API layer is what we call government as a platform. APIs form reusable building blocks that can be combined to deliver a unified and personalized service experience. A student that applies for a loan would interact with the government single window, which would in turn connect to the appropriate API to support that transaction. Once this architecture is in place, supporting other use cases would simply involve a different combination of APIs. Today, government APIs exist, but they can be difficult to find. They are often intermixed with other online services, and there is no standard way to locate them based on user needs. The process of accessing an API is also unique with each API provider. This makes for a very poor shopping experience for potential API users. Time to introduce a technology to manage all those APIs. The API Store. As with a brick-and-mortar retail store, the API Store provides users with a central go-to location to find and discover government digital services. The API Store allows API providers to easily organize, publish, and secure APIs. Central agencies can now publish common APIs under a single catalog. It also allows third-party APIs, such as those in government applications hosted in the cloud, to be published in the same manner. And since the API Store is fully multi-tenant, you, the API provider, could be given your own store shelf and control the publication of your APIs. To learn more about this project, please join our group in GC Connects.